Next, should I use fabric softeners? Give me the pros and cons on that.
All right, fabric softeners. Pros for this: if you have hard water especially, your clothes probably come out a little scratchy feeling. Those softeners, hence the catchy name, make your fabrics feel softer. Also, if you live in a dry climate and you like long flowing skirts or really thin dress pants, you get static cling issues. They tend to stick to you, right?
Yes.
Well, the softeners actually cut out the static cling on those clothes. So that can be a real benefit. And last, if you're like Val here and you leave stuff stacked up for 3 weeks at a time, it can smell really nice when you pull it out of those stacks, pull it out of the closet because of the fragrances and all that the softeners keep on the clothes.
Yeah, my daughter loves that. She loves
Yep.
like all the scents. She will load those things in.
Now let's talk about the cons. Cons on this is, first off, like we mentioned, deposits in your washing machine and your dryer. So even if you're just using fabric sheets, those softener compounds eventually get back into your washing machine too. And they can actually build up in your dryer to the point of being a fire hazard in extreme cases.
Yes.
Something to think about. Now, if you've got real high performance workout fabrics that are designed to wick sweat and pull it away from your body, as soon as you use a fabric softener, it blocks all that moisture transfer. You've just done away with any wicking properties on those expensive garments.
Wow, you don't even think about those kind of things.
Not often. Now, the last thing is, if you put softeners on something and you pull it out of the closet 2 weeks later, it has a really strong fragrance smell. Because, of course, some people like Val's daughter want that, and some people don't. It can be a con depending on what you want.
Welcome to the Odo Show.